Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off voice control on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, if you want to use iPhone normally, you need to go ahead and simply open up settings. Inside settings, scroll below, then tap on accessibility. Inside here, scroll below again, then tap on voice control, and if it's toggled on, turn it off. Then you need to go back, scroll down, then tap on side button, and make sure voice control isn't set as an action there. This way pressing the button won't turn it back on. So if your voice control is stuck on and you can't tap anything, you can use voice command to turn it off. Let's say I have this voice control toggled on and I cannot use any buttons. So in that case, you can simply use voice commands to turn it off, like open settings, scroll down, tap accessibility, tap voice control, turn off voice control, tap confirm, so that disables it without touching the screen. If all else fails and your screen is frozen, do a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down button, and then hold the slide button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This resets the software and usually fixes voice control glitches. And that's it, 3 ways to turn off voice control on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.